Hi, I'm Rohit Kamble and I'll be giving a short presentation on the data warehouse that I have built to analyze the top 300 movies with the highest worldwide gross earning. So basically, this is the website I'll be retrieving the movie earnings for, and it will be one of the sources apart from IMDb and movie.org. This is the list and these are the pages, and I'll be using this tool called Data Miner to retrieve this table in the form of CSV. So basically, it just retrieves it in the form of CSV after I download it. So going to the CSV file, yeah, over here, you'll see the title, the studio, the worldwide earning, US earnings, and the year in which the movie was produced. So basically, you'll be using this movie names in my R program to get the IMDb ID. So in going to my art program, so I'll be using an external package where I'll be passing the movie names and getting the IMDb ID and passing the IMDb ID to retrieve the movie details like the movie genre and all. So I'll be running this program and pausing it for a while because it takes some time. In this other R program, I'll be passing the director names and getting the director details like the gender, date of birth, and place of birth, and it takes some time over here as well, and it will be populating some files with the details. Going to the files that have been populated after running this R program successfully, we see the movie directors along with the IMDb ID. There's some manual cleaning that I have done over here, is like getting the distinct director names and putting in some other files so that I can further use it to get the director details, which is done by the R code. Rest of the cleaning is done by the R code, just the some of the things that I have done manually. And then going to the SQL server where I have created the database. These are the tables in this database that I'll be using, dimension tables and the fact tables and all. And going to the SSIS tool where I have done the ETL process. This is my flow. This is the staging area. Then the dimension getting loaded. These are the dimension tables that are getting loaded. This is the fact table that I have done. This the big flow for the fact table, as there's some multiple calculation that have been done over here while before loading into the fact table. Let's run this, and as you see, it's been run successfully. Running this, we'll be going to the database SQL server. Where my creator checking the fact table if it's the values are correctly inserted, and yeah, they're correctly inserted. Now let's go to the Visual Studio SSAS tool where the cube has been deployed. This is the Snowflake schema. These are the dimensions for it, and in this cube we'll be checking out the facts. So let's browse this cube real quick. And yeah, over here are the measures, and then the measures you have, then I have the dimensions. So from basically from the movie info dimension, we pick up the studio, and then we check for its Oscars and nominations for it. Yeah, there you go. And this is how it works. So let's check for some other values as well. Let's clear the script. Now let's check for some genre with particular directors for the genre, and let's check the overseas earning that particular two combination has been contributing. So this is how it works. So basically in Tableau we'll be graphically representing my analysis. This is the movie studio genre and country analysis with the different aspects. Going into the movie studio genre and Oscar, where you can see that Warner Brothers have won more Oscars for action, adventure, and sci-fi movie, and should consider something if they want to earn more Oscars in the future films, to make some action, adventure, and sci-fi movies. And then moving forward to the movie director, genre, and studio. These are also the different aspects like the worldwide earning, along with the IMDb ratings. So basically that's it for my analysis, and it will be for the analysis med report.